I wanted to share an easy wreath DIY using Dollar Tree items. This is real simple, real easy, and it is beginner friendly. All right, you can get all these items from the Dollar Tree. They have a large selection of ribbon right now for Valentine's Day. So we're going to make a Valentine's Day style wreath, and I'm going to take these zip ties that I also got from the Dollar Tree and just attach the ribbon to the wreath form. So you just take and attach that to a piece of the metal material, and then you'll start looping it. So you'll make the loop about 3-4 inches and then wrap the zip tie around it, and then take and put it under one of the reform pieces and attach it to there so that everything is nice and attached. Pull the zip tie real nice and tight, and then you'll have your first little loop bubble type piece, and then you'll just keep doing that. You'll space it out about an inch or so apart so that you can see once you pull it, it'll cover up the space that is in between, and you'll just keep doing that all the way around until you are completely done with that piece of ribbon. So this is real easy and real simple, and like I said, beginner friendly, but you're going to want to make sure you're attaching the ribbon to the reform, everything stays in place. And it's real simple once you get the hang of it. How I ended it off was I just took that piece of ribbon and made the loop again and just attached it to the piece, and everything is nice and secure. Then you will cut off the ends of the zip ties, and then you can go around and do another row. You can do as many of these rows as you feel you need to get a nice full one. You can probably do about 4 rows and it'll be nice and full. I only did 2 rows because I'm going to be adding in some other stuff there, but it's real simple. Like I said, just keep on going around and around and around. If you have any questions, just let me know and I'll be happy to answer them. You can see that one for the inside, that was one piece of the ribbon, the 9 feet, and it went almost all the way around. So you can get this done with about 4 to 5 things of ribbon if you want a nice full one, because you can see how the one that I went back on looks real nice and fluffy. As opposed to the one where there's just 2. So you can do this however you want. But just to fill mine in, because I'm not doing the 4 rows, I'm just deciding what I'm going to put in there. I was thinking about greenery. I was thinking about beads that I had from Christmas. But I'm going to take this metal car from the Dollar Tree, and it has an attachment piece on it, which I'm just looping around the metal piece of the wreath there to secure it. You can hot glue it too if you want to the ribbons. And then I'm just taking and figuring out where I'm going to place these flowers that I also got from the Dollar Tree, and this is just giving it a little bit of extra fullness. You can come in with Decor mesh. You can do this so many different ways, but this is, like I said, a beginner friendly way to get into wreath making. So this is something fun. So once you place it, you can just hot glue everything down, and this is how it should look.